much fun for me and you. Find a spot to park and rest. Set up camp, it's just the best. Out come chairs and tents so bright. Stars will twinkle through the night. View the night. Camping van, roll along. Sing a happy camping song. Marshmallows roast, we dance around. Laughter makes the sweetest sound. Let's go hiking, take a trail. Look a bunny and a snail. Mountains tall and rivers wide. Nature's beauty we can't hide. Roll along, sing a happy camping song. Sunshine bright, the birds all sing. What a joy this trip can bring. Time to head back home again, waving to the trees and rain. Camping van, you're our best friend. Let's go camping once again.